Hello,
Hi, my name is Rai. What is your name?
my name is Sasikala. Thank you.
Sasikala.
Yes,
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too.
I
Where
see.
are you from?
Oh, sorry. Where am I from? I'm from California, but I'm living.
Okay, okay. I am from India,
Okay.
South India.
And South India.
Yes.
Okay. I see you've got this lesson today,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Give me some advices about how to I improve my English pronunciation.
How to improve.
Yes, and spoken English and word formation like that, and
Uh,
mostly vocabulary.
Mostly vocabulary.
Yes.
Um, Vocabulary. I'd say read as much as possible
Okay.
for vocabulary. Um, and in general, let's see, to make this the simple thing to say is listen as much as you can. Um,
Okay.
do what you can in
Okay.
English. Listen, read,
Okay.
and you'll make connections that will make you a better speaker and a better writer.
Okay. Okay.
So I would say listen, read. If you can, maybe you can watch something in English with subtitles in English. You could listen and read at the same time.
Okay.
Look up the new words in a dictionary,
Okay.
and yeah, just whatever you can do like that, and you'll improve.
Yeah. I want to read.
Yeah, good idea. So I would say, yeah, listen, read, and pay attention to it. Those are the important things.
Okay.
And talk in English with me or someone like me
Okay.
um, on here. Yeah, well, when
Okay.
you're interacting, that's the best way to practice. Um,
Okay.
do you want to take a look at this lesson?
Yes. Before going to
Yeah.
lesson, you can talk each other about.
Okay. Okay. But
I want to about you. I want to know about you.
yeah. I said that. Let's see. I said I'm from California, but I'm living in Spain,
Okay.
and I've
Okay.
been I've been working in English teaching for the past 15 years, and
Oh.
um,
Okay.
let's see, I studied something different. I studied music.
Oh. You love music?
Yes,
Oh, it's nice. I love music too.
great. Um,
You are
any
singer?
other questions? Yeah, I like singing, but I'm a bad singer.
Oh.
I can play
Okay.
saxophone and a little of some other instruments.
Okay. Okay. What is your profession? Teaching English?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, yeah. That's what I've been doing for work for the past 15 years.
Okay. Oh, it's great. You have a lot of experience.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay, we can go to lesson.
Okay.
Okay, let you start.
We've only got 8 minutes, so maybe we can see only a few pages, a
Yes.
few slides.
Yeah.
We can probably just see the warm-up questions and some of the
Yes.
grammar,
Grammar,
adverbs of
vocabulary.
frequency, maybe some vocabulary. Okay, so
Yes.
let's see. This is describe the last time you had a disagreement at work. Try to mention
Right.
what was the disagreement about, who was involved, and what was the outcome.
What was the outcome?
The result.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, you can go to class.
Yeah, can you think of one? Can you think of a disagreement?
Yes.
Okay, so what was it?
Yes. Mostly it is the time is out. So I disconnected the call.
Oh,
So it is the reason.
yeah. Sorry, what? Yes, about the time. We've got 6 more minutes.
Yes.
Okay, do you want to see something different?
Yes. Next
Oh, okay.
page. You have to go next page.
Vocabulary?
Yes. Next.
Okay. Idioms?
You can discuss it. Yes.
Yeah, does this look
I love idioms.
okay? Hello?
Oh, hello.
Okay.
Idioms.
Yeah, connection problem, right. So you want to
Yes.
look at these idioms.
Yes. To
Okay.
see eye to eye.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you read it? Well, if
Yes.
if you know, we don't need to look at it. If it's not familiar, then you can read it, ask me questions if need be.
Okay. First
All
one.
right?
To see eye to eye. To have similar views or attitude something. Be in your full agreement. Argument. Yes.
Agreement.
Yes. Example, I am glad that you could see eye to eye on the project goals. Yes. You give me some more example this to see eye to eye.
Eye to eye. Yeah, I'm glad that we could see eye to eye on the project goals. Yeah. Yeah, maybe we could say if people disagree, of course, you can also say you don't see eye to eye. So let's see something else about work or a project. Yeah, we didn't see eye to eye on the project and we canceled it.
Oh, nice. Next, to set things right. To correct or solve one issue. Example, I am sorry about what said I earlier. I am here to see set thing right. Okay. You give me one more example.
Set things right. I'm sorry what I said earlier. I'm here to set things right. So yeah, maybe I was saying before, maybe you didn't see eye to eye on a project and it didn't, so it was canceled maybe, or it didn't work correctly. So maybe you need to do it again, start again, set things right this time, correct things.
Okay. Okay, I have doubts in grammar. Okay.
Um,
Where use have and had. Where we use have and had.
um,
Can you tell?
yeah, how and had.
Yes.
Um, they're two different words. How is let's see, in questions, it can be for an adjective. How old are you? How tall is something? Um,
Okay.
how long is something? How does something work? Maybe.
Okay.
But you're asking like for an explanation when you say how.
Yes.
Is that your
Yes.
question?
Yes. Yes. It is my
Okay.
question.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me.
Um, and then you said the word had or have?
How?
Oh, how. Okay.
Yes. How?
Oh,
HAV how?
sorry, what?
HAV how?
Um, I'm not sure what you're saying. Sorry.
I am telling spelling. How?
Oh, oh, yeah. Like this? How?
How? Not how. HAVE how?
Have?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Like your question is have the question word, or do you see have here on the page?
No.
Okay, have. It could be
Yes.
a verb for possession. You know, uh, I have a phone. It could be, you know, I don't have a car, or it could be in perfect verbs like I have been I have been to Portugal.
Okay.
So it
In which situations you use have
situations,
and have?
perfect verbs
Yes.
like present perfect verbs. So you see it. You could look this up. Maybe auxiliary. It's an auxiliary verb in present
Auxiliary verb.
present perfect and present perfect continuous. Um, present perfect and present perfect continuous
Okay.
verbs. So, for example, I said at the start of the lesson, I've been teaching English for 15 years, and
Okay.
it's the contraction I have been teaching
Yeah.
English for the past 15 years.
Oh, okay.
So it's both have, like you have a thing, or
Mm,
part an auxiliary verb for present perfect verbs.
okay.
And
Those two have connection. Both have.
yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
It's like saying you have the verb. I think it's from it has that origin. Um,
Yeah.
well, all perfect verbs, really, past perfect and future perfect, use have also. We're running out of time. It's been good to talk to you. I'll be happy to talk to you
Okay.
again. Please give me 5 stars. Have a good
Okay.
one. Bye.
Bye bye. Stay.